For years, I've traveled to many places with this bike, mostly alone. Along those long, quiet roads, I realized the real journey was happening inside my mind. Some days, I would... Everything started long before the bike, long before the trips, long before the camera. It began when I was 9 and my brother was just 6. I used to take his hand and together we walked toward the mountains. Back then there was no social media, no rush, no noise. Just the two of us, a small mat, a blue water spring, and a quiet piece of shade under a tree. I would make tea, he would sit beside me, and the world felt simple and perfect. Those were the days my grandmother could still climb with us. Her legs didn't hurt back then, so I would cut a little wooden stick and turn it into a walking cane for her. The three of us, me, my brother, and my grandmother, would go up the mountain together. We'd sit by the water, talk about life, and enjoy a peace I still search for today. And maybe that's where everything truly began. My love for nature, my love for mountains, and my need to create moments that feel real. Years later, when I finally bought my bike, I didn't just choose a way to travel, I chose a way to remember. My grandmother took a loan from my brother, and my brother, though younger than me, had a heart big enough to give the entire loan to me simply because he knew how much I loved cycling. He even paid the loan back himself. We went to the market together side by side and bought this bike. And now, after almost 8 years with this bike, I've taken it to wild, unbelievable places, pushed it hard, and it has never stopped carrying me forward. I'm thankful for this bike. I'm around 30 now, and I've decided it's time to share all these memories with you and to show you the world I've loved since I was a child. And every time I ride, those childhood days come back. The mountains, the tea boiling under the tree, my brother's small hand in mine, and my grandmother's slow steps with the cane I made for her. All of it lives inside this bike. So before every trip, I clean it, tune it, prepare it, and I prepare myself too. Because every ride is more than a journey forward. It's a journey back to the people and the moments that made me who I am. And for years, I've traveled to many places with this bike, mostly alone. Along those long, quiet roads, I realized the real journey was happening inside my mind. Some days, I would ride for hours without noticing time or distance, my thoughts somewhere deeper and calmer. Out there, it felt like I was traveling inside myself. With every breath, every uphill climb, every moment of silence, a new part of my mind opened up. I started to understand life differently. Simpler, more beautiful, more real. Sometimes I sank so deeply into that feeling that it felt like I was moving through another world, a world where the mountains listened and the wind answered back. That's why cycling isn't just a hobby for me. It's a quiet, honest journey toward knowing myself.